Your destiny is doomed like a Russian tank in Ukraine. This is the new saying in the military circles, and this is new footage of the Jaegers of the 68th Jaeger Brigade which are destroying a Russian tank. Just in Ukrainian sniper camouflage. Turkish Bayraktar drones become famous after the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan, and in a Ukrainian war. Now the Bayraktar successfully completed the first autonomous taxi and takeoff roll test of Kizilelma drone. The Baykar Bayraktar Xlelma is a jet-powered, single-engine, low-observable, supersonic, carrier-capable unmanned fighter aircraft, currently in development. Xlelma is expected to fly in 2023. H.G. Wells might call this phenomenon fireballs. We simply call it payback time for Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's